Yeah. Sup, Brockers, subscribers. Yeah, I'm a koala, apparently. So, me and my big sister, we're going on a bike ride. And like, cause we're just gonna leave the house cause like all the family's here and stuff. And yeah, so we don't really, like, they're like nerds with politicians. So, see ya on the, okay, now we're at Uptown with a pigeon. I never biked one-handed with this little blue camera, so it's gonna look pretty weird here. So this is what it looks like in first person. This is like GTA. Here we go. What are those? What are those? Give it to you when we're at the place. Wait, we're at that building. Yeah. We made it to the building. Alright, whatever, but down here's like a little swamp, like, oh god, it stinks down here. This is, my sister, pro camera person. Okay, now we made this little dam slash tiny little bridge. But, yeah, so I'm just gonna shoot this because it looks pretty cool. Like, I remember I took a picture a week ago too, exactly like this with the filter in it. It's on my Instagram. And so, oh my gosh, that's blurry. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I'm like lost now. Oh, beauty. Oh yeah. Homewood suits, yeah. It looks amazing. Okay guys, I'm in DQ now because we saw like a guy smoking weed, or someone threw weed on the ground or something. Or can I get a water cup?
Yeah. Same for you?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
This is like first person right here.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
That's some station. Okay. Yeah, still. Alright, we're gonna look at an amazing shot of this hospital.
We're gonna bike home.
Okay, we're going back in the first person. Here we go.